Good afternoon, guys. It is Monday here. Got some errands to run. Leo's gonna get a haircut, and then we're gonna come back and clean my messy house. You can see some of the disaster behind me. So let's have a great day, and I'm excited to bring you guys along.
come on, I need to hear you now.
Jingle, jingle, jingle with me now.
I got my love to keep me warm.
Winter weather, I love the winter weather.
'Cause Christmas time is pulling us closer to each other.
Winter
Weather, now we can get together.
Christmas time is pulling me closer to your
Closer to you.
weather.
Yeah,
I love the winter
I
weather.
wanna get to know ya.
It's pulling us
Please, baby, please, baby, please. Winter weather, get together.
pulling me closer to
Closer to you.
Good morning. It is Tuesday. This was going to be a daily vlog, but I didn't get everything I planned on doing done yesterday, so I'm going to bring you guys along today. So this vlog is going to cover 2 days. I've gotten ready. The boys have eaten. I got to get them ready for the day. We're going to clean up their room. I'm going to take some more fall decor down throughout the house, and we may start decorating a couple rooms today. Also, I'm going to organize my Christmas decor because I've gotten a lot of new things for this year, and I'm not going to use everything that I have in storage. So instead of just keeping everything, I'm going to purge some things and organize it better. I really want to be able to organize it room by room. That way next year when it's time to decorate, I can just pull each room bin out. I hope I don't have a bin per room. That would be way too much, but you know what I mean. So I've gotten my upstairs and my entryway all cleaned, decor taken down, so it's a clean blank canvas to start decorating for Christmas, which I'll probably start tomorrow, and that'll be in a different video. I just got done straightening up our den. I put the toys away and just kind of cleaned up, but I didn't film it because my den is not clean by any means. Let me show you. So me and this tree, we're not getting along this year. If you watched my last vlog, our day in the life, the snow day vlog, which I can link up top, I put the tree up and then I had to take it down because I started with the wrong row. Now I'm having to undo everything I've done because I had too many lights plugged in. You can only plug in 5 at a time, and I had way more, so I blew the fuses on my very first strand of lights. So I'm having to start over. So this will be the second time I'm starting over with this tree. It's like I've never decorated for Christmas before, but I have a lot, many years. But me and this tree, we are just not getting along. But I just wanted to give you guys an update, and everybody makes decorating for Christmas look so calm and relaxing on YouTube, which I love watching those videos. I think they are relaxing and calming, and I love watching them. And I'm hoping my decorate with me will be calm and relaxing. But for a second, let's talk about real life. It is not always calm and relaxing to decorate. We will see you guys next time. Please give it a thumbs up if you like this video. Please hit that subscribe button and the bell notification so you're notified every time we upload.
Ding, ding, ding.
Ding, ding, ding. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.